Collections of the old cars. Okay. So, ito muna. Very cute. Ayan. So, sorry. Hindi ko alam kung ano-ano mga pangalan ng sasakyan na to, ha. Ayan. Oh, this one is so lovely. Ayan. So, wala akong alam sa car. Ano yung nasa ibabaw niya? Okay. Ayan. Oh, this one is the back. Oh, these are all the style of Jeep. Okay, gusto ko muna tingnan tong harapan nito. Massive. Ayan, wow. Lovely. Okay, gusto ko rin yung orange car na yan. Pwede bang ilagay ko na lang sa aking packet at iuwi ko na lang. Okay, so this is Jeep. Ah, ito na pala yung harapan ng Jeep. Ayan, very cute. Look at the... Ayan. Okay, let's go back. So this is the... Para ito sa akin ng Mr. Bean. Ayan. Berlin. Sorry ha. Wala akong idea about cars. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo. Yung mga old collections ng car. Oh! This Triumph. Let's see yung loob nito. Lovely. Ano ba to? Buy one, take one? Baby? Is this buy one, take one? Very cute. They're really, really cute. And look at this also. Ayan. I like this. Tingnan mo naman yung design, oh. And this one. Okay, so these are the collections of old cars. Really lovely. Pero na rin kami dating napunta ang isa. Mas marami yan. Ayan. One more look, okay? Okay, ito yung mga cameras naman. Yung mga collection ng mga old cameras. Okay, sorry. Wala akong... Ito yata ay... Ano ba itong? DSLR camera digital single lens. 1990. Okay, wala pa nga akong camera na ganyan yata eh. Ayan. Ayan. Ang cute. So, ito naman, ayan. 1990. Okay, 1960. Ayan yung tingnan mo yung radyo na yan. Radio. Okay, 1960 collections. Kahit anong isa dyan, wala akong na-try gamitin. Hindi pa ako pinapanganak nun, no? Okay, this... 1970. Massive. 1990. Oh, this one, I love it. This is 1870. Ayan, 1870. Ano ba yung 6 set? Ayan. Ano ba yan? Ewan ko kung ano-ano yung mga yan. Ang daming collection ng camera. Oh, this one? This is movie theater. Okay, so nice. Looks so cute. Okay. Ito these are also, wait. Okay, let's see this. Photos are the only way to hold on to what you knew because the moments they show never change when the people in them do. Okay. So let's see first this. This is wala, nabura na. Couldn't see anymore. Julian Lush. Dami ng mga old collections. So ito gusto ko. See, this one is 1930. England made a key operation 1930. And these are the vintage telephones. Ayan, di ba? Kapag nanonood ka ng mga old movies, nakikita mo itong mga to. They're so lovely. Ayan. Ayan. So they have all these old collections. Ayan. Telephones. Vintage.
You have to open this and look inside also.
Then how will I touch this? Okay. Then I'll open.
I will roll this.
Okay. Oh, was made by King Duit Taj Mahal. It was.
You can see?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. What is London? You move na, baby. Big Ben, London. Make it faster. Okay. Lovely. You see?
This idiot. It's not a very.
You see? One.
Ford, Jeep, not Ford. Old Jeeps never die. Alright, Cody is 5 minutes from here. Drive.